Today you're going to compare two characters from the story City Mouse and Country Mouse. If you have not listened to the story, please pause the video and go listen to it before you begin this activity. We're going to use a Venn diagram to compare the City Mouse with the Country Mouse. In the middle, I want you to write some things that are the same. How are both characters the same? Pause the video and write how they are the same. Next, I want you to think about how the City Mouse was different. Over on the lines, I want you to write to tell how City Mouse is different. Pause and write now. On this side, I want you to write to tell how Country Mouse is different than City Mouse. Use the writing lines to do your very best writing. When you're done, write your name at the top of your paper and send a seesaw video to your teacher.